Hello guys, are you interested in fast trains? We had fast trains in UK before. Now I think it's only in Spain we have got high speed trains. Last week I had an opportunity to travel from Beijing to Shanghai by high speed train, their high speed train. It achieved 350 kilometers per hour, and that is the highest speed registered. We are inside the train, have a flavor of Chinese high-speed bullet train. This is going from Beijing south to Shanghai. The running time is 4.5 hours. So there are 3 stops here. Look the other side of the carriage. This carriage number 16 for first class. These are first class seats. As you can see, there are 17 carriages in the train. Suburbs of Beijing. I think it has acquired the high speed already. Either side you can see flats or towers of, let's say, 10 story towers. It's not as high as in Hong Kong. So there are no mountains as I saw that in Hong Kong. This is to record the speed, current speed, the running speed.